Hello and welcome. This is an unpack like no other.
Your Highness, I give you the Samsung Galaxy S22.
Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are based on the iconic S-series design and are available in 4 stylish shades. A new 50-megapixel wide lens provides enhanced resolution. There's also a new 10-megapixel tele lens with 3 times optical zoom. But with Super HDR on your S22, you can capture once-in-a-lifetime moments in well-defined videos, even with backlighting. Even when I'm on the move, my video is stable. That's because of a 58% wider correction angle of optical image stabilization and video digital image stabilization. The front camera takes great portraits, even in low light, and the results are bright and clear. AI Stereo Depth Map is now integrated into portrait mode. We partnered with Snap to provide a more integrated camera experience. Now you can take advantage of S22's smooth zoom with tele-lens and night mode, all right from the Snapchat app. With a new 50-megapixel wide lens with a larger sensor and a new 10-megapixel tele-lens with 3 times optical zoom, Galaxy S22 will be available for $799 and S22 Plus will be available for $999. You can pre-order both starting today.
Meet the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We seamlessly integrated the camera lenses into the phone, and it comes in 4 bold classic colors: Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and a sophisticated all-new burgundy. And today, we're thrilled to introduce the first Galaxy S series model ever with a built-in S Pen. Compared to the Galaxy Note 20 and the S21 Ultra, we made this display 3 times more responsive to the S Pen. Based on extensive analysis, we enhanced our AI-based point prediction software. Now, Galaxy S22 Ultra can better predict the next point of your S Pen. We used our highest quality materials to create the Galaxy S22 series, including our strongest armor aluminum frame yet and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Gorilla Glass Victus Plus is on both the front and back of the device and is currently exclusive to the Galaxy S22 series. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we're bringing you an immersive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with adaptive refresh rate. It can reach up to 120 Hz for super smooth scrolling on social media and optimized viewing for video and games, and go as low as 1 Hz to save energy when you're doing something less intensive. Thanks to the all-new Vision Booster algorithm, Galaxy S22 Ultra has our most advanced display yet. The Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a powerful 4-nanometer processor, and we work to regulate the temperature of the Galaxy S22 while maintaining its powerful performance.
Introducing an 8K video and a 108-megapixel photo camera, this camera produces a vivid 108-megapixel image using a remosaic algorithm to remap pixels into a conventional RGB pattern. Now, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera uses adaptive pixel to merge multiple frames into one. It combines a detailed 108-megapixel image with a non-abeying 12-megapixel image with a more light. This combination creates an optimally bright 108-megapixel image, providing crisp resolution throughout the day. Our designers and engineers combined powerful software with a powerful hardware to introduce a quadruple lens camera with 100 times space zoom. At the heart of our innovation is the AI engine, a neural processing unit capable of deep learning. Introducing Nightography.
Galaxy S22 Ultra is equipped with a 2.4 micrometer large pixel sensor that takes in more light and has an anti-reflective nano coating on the glass and lens. When taking photos in low light, Night Solution kicks in. It uses multi-frame processing to capture a series of images in an instant, removing frames that have noise or blur. Then, it merges the remaining frames into a single clear shot and uses an AI-powered ISP algorithm that enhances the object's true shape, color tone, and details. To provide clear and stable night video, Galaxy S22 Ultra employs an intricate dual-track image stabilization solution with OIS and VDIS. To capture brighter videos at night, Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera automatically changes the frame rate between different FPS in response to subtle changes in lighting.
We're giving you more advanced functions like Pro Mode, In Pro Mode, you can manually adjust your shutter speed, ISO, manual focus, and white balance. And with S22, for the first time, Pro Mode gives you the choice to extend these powerful capabilities to all of your lenses. And for the true pros out there, Expert RAW, a multi-frame-based RAW format, provides even more flexible option. With the best Galaxy camera, an embedded S Pen, a 4nm processor, and our brightest display ever, it sets a new standard for smartphones. Galaxy S22 Ultra will be available for pre-order starting today at $1,199.
Today, we're proud to introduce a new generation of tablets, introducing the Galaxy Tab S8 series. We're introducing 3 new additions to the Galaxy Tab S8 series, including a new, incredible member of our lineup. We are bringing the power of Ultra to our tablets for the very first time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, with its 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display. This display is clear and bright with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, which means stunning graphics and a smooth scrolling experience. They crafted a 6.3mm bezel, so now you can enjoy the slimmest and largest display of any Galaxy Tab yet. With dual cameras positioned on the long side of the tablet, combined with innovative auto framing and the powerful 3-way microphone with AI technology, the Tab S8 series brings the digital and analog experiences together with the S Pen. The Galaxy Tab S8 series is equipped to record in 4K video with both the front and rear cameras. It has a 4nm processor, the first we've ever put in a tablet. And with up to 16 gigs of RAM, the Tab S8 Ultra will stay responsive and ultra-fast. The Galaxy Tab S8 series comes with expandable storage, which means you can increase storage by up to 1 terabyte. With our most powerful performance yet and our most expansive tablet display ever, this series will bring your biggest ideas to life. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will be available for $1,099, Tab S8 Plus for $899, and Tab S8 for $699. Pre-orders start today. And if you pre-order, you'll be able to experience the book cover keyboard on us.
Thank you for joining us. Stay safe and see you next time.